Hello everyone, it's good to have you here on our page. Welcome to the School of Mathematics Nigeria. We will be teaching everything mathematics, starting from the simple to the complex solutions. Our goal is to make mathematics simple for everyone to learn, no matter the age, group, or color. We're expected to upload at least one video in a week. You can also follow us on other social media accounts. Our Facebook account is called the School of Mathematics Nigeria. Instagram is the School of Mathematics.ng, and YouTube is the School of Mathematics Nigeria. Thank you for choosing to go on this journey with us. We hope that you become a good student of mathematics at the end of each topic. Please do not forget to leave a comment on what topic you would like for us to treat. And also do not forget to like, share, and follow our pages. We look forward to seeing you on the next one.